Sure. So let's turn to the big announcement. You guys have just announced that you guys are becoming a CUSO, or have become a CUSO.
We have, yeah, just in the nick of time. I really wanted to get it in for this one. Yeah, it was on the last day of the month of March. We finalized our investment with Dort. Yeah, so got our registered with the NCUA. We're officially a CUSO, which we're very excited about, and we set out to be a CUSO from day one. In fact, our incorporated name is actually Nook CUSO Inc.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we weren't a CUSO when we incorporated, obviously, but like the intent of this, it was designed all along to be it, because what we're building is kind of this approach that I think is if you want to look at it as a collaborative approach, where we build these brands and then we can share those across the industry. So where one credit union couldn't probably do this on their own, they can if they share with the rest of the industry. And that's really the whole idea of the CUSO model, is to say we have a problem, we want to solve it, but we can't do it alone. We need somebody or us to come together and solve that problem. So it just made sense that this was a CUSO, and our plan all along too was to stick pretty specifically in the credit union industry. So why wouldn't you become a CUSO?
That's a great message for other credit unions out there, because that lets them know, hey, you guys got skin in the game. So you are committed to this industry. So and then the sponsoring credit union, or the credit union who is investing in you guys, is Dort Financial, is that correct? Okay.
Yeah, so it's Dort. Brian Waldorn's the CEO there. I've known him for a few years, and fortunately was able to call him up when Nook started and give him the spiel of what we're doing, and and he liked it, and we ultimately kind of piloted it with them to say, let's just try it out, see if it works. We have a lot of ideas, but we haven't even built anything yet. So let's build it out. Let's get it rolling. Let's get it out to your membership and see, if there's going to be some true success here. And fortunately, there was.
Oh, awesome.
And then that's when him and I started having the conversation about, would you want to take the next step with us and become an owner. So so that's a story I like to tell. It's an exciting thing for us to be able to say that we were able to find a innovative credit union, let us try it out, prove success, and then have them take ownership stake in the company.
And very soon after starting the company too. So it's even better.
Yeah, it's been exciting to see how fast it has played out, because it's one thing to have the idea and hope it works, and then the other it's a whole different thing to see it actually play out and see success and see Dort's members really engaging with the niche experience we've built. And also we're seeing products converting over there, which is kind of the secondary benefit of our offering. Let's build a lot of engagement, trust, and loyalty, but under the covers, I still want to sell you more products and services, obviously, so we call that the selling without selling model, and it's been working really well.
Good deal. Yeah. And the other thing that's great about a CUSO model is, as you well know, that you kind of have this built-in focus group that you can, hey, let's try this, and let's try that,
Right.
So you have this credit union there that's like, let's give it a go. So
that's
a pretty cool thing.
Our plan is to continue expanding the credit union ownership of this. Like that's really what we want to do. We're going to try and raise a little bit more money this year, and I would love for that to be similar stories to Dort, where it's a credit union that wants to come in and experiment with us, pilot it out, give it a whirl, and then hopefully they'll like it, they'll continue on as a client, and they'll take an ownership stake in the company.
Yeah, good deal. Well, good news all the way around.